We have two VHF radios on board. Each is connected to an 8-foot antenna. The antenna on the port side is connected to the flybridge radio. I think that antenna is original from 1981. The coax on the exterior has split and cracked, and I think it's gotten to the stage where it's just rotting away and moisture has found its way into the copper core of the cable. Radio transmissions on that radio have limited range, and the reception's getting progressively worse. So we went bigger and ordered a 19-foot Shakespeare antenna. It's a 9 dB. Here are the specs. It's an oversized package. Got this from West Marine.
Under you.
Racket, I'm sorry. Racket.
Using the boat hook as a test fit. Since this antenna is so long, it requires a second mounting bracket, which means I'll have to create a spacer. I epoxied 3 pieces of pine together. I've got the bevel angle figured out. It's 15 degrees, but it's a compound cut as the flybridge is tapered, and about the front half of where the antenna bracket will mount has also got a radius to it. There's multiple angles to determine. I've been thinking about how to scribe. Thought maybe I could use a piece of foam that I'd bend around the contour of the flybridge and then scribe that onto a piece of wood and try to do a compound cut as close as possible and then maybe chisel it to match the contour. I also talked to a woodworking buddy of mine, and he suggested just cut it as close as I can and then use a thickened epoxy and then use a hot glue gun to hold it all in place while I fill it with epoxy to form fit a perfectly shaped piece. I don't know, this all sounds really complicated. If you have a simpler solution for me, I would love to hear it.